Imagine working for 40 years and still stressing about money every single month. That's the reality for millions of people today. In 2026, people are earning more than ever before, but somehow they're still broke. The scary part is, most of them don't even realize why. They think the problem is low income, bad luck, or the economy. But the real reason usually comes down to habits, mindset, and financial decisions they repeat every day without noticing. If someone doesn't fix these patterns early, they can stay trapped their entire life no matter how hard they work, living to impress others. One of the biggest reasons people stay broke is because they spend money trying to look rich. Expensive phones, branded clothes, luxury cars on installments, fancy dinners, and vacations they can't actually afford. Social media made this even worse. People compare their behind-the-scenes life to someone else's highlight reel. So they keep buying things just to feel accepted or successful for a few moments. The problem is, wealthy people usually buy assets first and luxury later. Broke people do the opposite. They buy liabilities that drain their money every month. Looking rich and being rich are completely different things. Real wealth is quiet. It's savings, investments, and financial freedom, not showing off online, depending only on one income source. Most people rely on a single salary. If that income stops, their entire life collapses instantly. In today's world, that's extremely dangerous. Companies can replace workers quickly, businesses shut down unexpectedly, and economic conditions change fast. The smartest people in 2026 are building multiple income streams. It could be freelancing, content creation, online stores, investing, digital products, or learning high-income skills. Even a small side income can slowly change someone's financial future. The goal is not to work 24 hours a day. The goal is to stop depending on only one paycheck for survival. No financial education. Schools teach people how to pass exams, but almost never teach how money actually works. Most adults don't understand budgeting, taxes, investing, debt, or compound growth. So they make financial decisions based on emotions instead of knowledge. That's why many people earn good money, but still remain broke. Income alone doesn't create wealth. Financial intelligence does. Someone earning average income with smart money habits can become financially stable faster than someone earning huge money, but spending carelessly. Learning about money today is easier than ever. Free videos, books, podcasts, and online courses are everywhere. But most people spend hours scrolling entertainment instead of improving financial knowledge. That single choice affects their future more than they realize. Bad debt is destroying people. Not all debt is bad, but most people use debt for the wrong reasons. Credit card debt, unnecessary loans, buy now pay later apps, and financing luxury items create a dangerous cycle. People start paying for their past instead of building their future. The worst part about debt is psychological pressure. It steals peace of mind. Every month becomes stressful because money already belongs to someone else before the salary even arrives. Financial freedom starts when a person controls debt instead of debt controlling them. Paying off high-interest debt should become a top priority. Once that burden disappears, people finally get room to save and invest properly. They never invest. Many people think investing is only for rich people. That mindset keeps them poor forever. In reality, investing is exactly how ordinary people slowly build wealth over time. Money sitting in a normal account loses value because inflation keeps increasing every year. In 2026, prices are rising faster than many salaries. If someone only saves money without investing it, they're actually becoming poorer slowly. The power of investing comes from consistency and time. Even small amounts invested monthly can grow massively over years because of compound growth. The earlier someone starts, the easier the journey becomes. Instant gratification is the biggest trap. Most people sacrifice long-term success for short-term pleasure. They want fast results, quick money, and instant happiness. That's why they overspend, quit too early, or chase shortcuts that never last. Wealth works differently. Real financial success is usually boring at first. Saving consistently, investing monthly, learning skills, and improving habits doesn't look exciting on social media. But over time, these boring actions create extraordinary results. The problem is, People often give up because they don't see immediate rewards. Meanwhile, disciplined people quietly continue building their future year after year until one day the difference becomes impossible to ignore. They ignore budgeting. A lot of people avoid budgeting because they think it's restrictive, but budgeting actually gives freedom. If someone doesn't know where their money is going, they'll always feel financially lost. Small daily expenses matter more than most people think. Random online shopping, food delivery subscriptions, and impulse purchases slowly destroy financial progress. Individually, they seem harmless, but together they become massive leaks. Budgeting doesn't mean never enjoying life. It simply means controlling money intentionally instead of emotionally. Every successful, financially stable person tracks money in some form. Fear stops them from taking action. Many people know what they should do financially, but fear keeps them stuck. Fear of failure, fear of losing money, fear of starting a business, fear of investing, or fear of learning something new. But staying financially stuck is also risky. Doing nothing for years can damage someone's future more than making a few mistakes while learning. Successful people are not fearless. They simply act despite uncertainty. Every skill feels difficult in the beginning. Every investment feels scary at first. Every business starts small. But confidence grows through action, not overthinking. How to actually fix your financial life. The solution is not becoming obsessed with money. The solution is building smart habits consistently. Start by spending less than you earn. Learn one high-income skill. Build an emergency fund. Avoid unnecessary debt. Invest regularly even if the amount is small. Stop trying to impress people who don't pay your bills. Most importantly, think long-term. Financial freedom is not built in weeks or months. It's built through decisions repeated for years. Tiny, smart choices today can completely transform someone's future later. The truth is simple. Most people stay broke because they repeat financial mistakes for too long. Once someone changes their habits, mindset, and priorities, money starts working differently for them. The earlier a person understands this, the easier life becomes. Like and subscribe for more videos about money, success, and self-improvement.